So hi everyone. So today we will be going to start our topic, that is patching. Okay, today's our topic name is patching. Okay, so today in detail we are going to discuss about this patching. Okay, so first let's understand what is a patch. What is a patch? Why do we apply the patch? How do we apply the patch? And what is the utility to apply the patch, and from where did we get these patches? So how did we download these patches? Okay, who will be going to prepare these patches, the reason behind applying these patches, everything in detail, in depth about this patching today we will be going to discuss. This is a very important session, and this session will be very interesting session also. Okay, so let's understand what is a patch. What is a patch? Patch means it's a patch is a software code files which is used to fix the bugs. Bugs, bug, which is used to fix the bug. Now what is a bug? Now the question is that what is a bug? Bug means it's a defect in Oracle software. Bug means defect. Bug means it's a defect in Oracle software. Okay, so who created this Oracle software? Oracle software has been created by Oracle organization with the help of developers. They have created this Oracle software. Okay, and this Oracle software is a Oracle software will be in a encrypted format. Okay, it will be a encrypted format, and Oracle software is a it's a licensed software. Okay, it's a licensed software. Okay, for example, we have downloaded the Oracle software, we have installed the Oracle software. After that, using DBCA utility, we have created the database, and that database we will be using for our we will be using that database for our business purpose, to store our business data. For example, in Oracle software there is a defect. After installing and we have started using the databases, now we came to know that in Oracle software there is a defect. Okay, so in this entire globe, in this entire world, there will be some thousands, billions of softwares are there. Billions, trillions softwares will be there. Okay, no software owner, no software owner, no software owner can define that his software is a bug free. Okay, even Microsoft, okay, Microsoft can't define that his Windows operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay, recently they introduced this Windows 11 also. Okay, so even they can't claim that, okay, their Windows software is a bug free. Okay, so in every software, okay, because softwares are going to create by human beings only. Okay, so they might be bugs will be there, they might be bug will be there. Okay, so those bugs will be going to fix by the vendor. Okay, how they will be going to fix the defects in the Oracle software? Through patches. Okay, even for example, take it our mobile phones. Okay, even for our mobile, in our mobile phones, which operating systems do we have? Android operating system is there. Okay, so every quarterly we will be going to get the updates. So why they are giving the updates? There will be two reasons. So Android is giving the updates for two reasons. One is, okay, to deliver the new features to the existing customers. Okay, update will be going to deliver the new features for existing customer. This will be a one reason, and another reason to fix the defects. To fix the defects means bug. Okay, so they will be giving updates. Okay, when it comes to the Oracle terminology, okay, to deliver the new features for the existing customers, Oracle will be going to give the patches. Okay, as well as if there is any defects. Okay, the defect means technically we should call it as a bug. If in case if there is any bug, okay, Oracle people's, okay, has to fix it, okay, through patch. Okay, so what is a patch? What is a patch means you have to say that it's a software code files. It is a software code files which is used to fix the डिफेक्ट्स. ओके, ऐसा कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर का ओनर नहीं कह सकता कि मेरा सॉफ्टवेयर 100% बग फ्री है. ओके, हर एक सॉफ्टवेयर में कहीं ना तो कहीं कमजोरी रहेगी, बग रहेगा, डिफेक्ट रहेगा, लेकिन उसको बाद में फिक्स किया जाएगा थ्रू पैचेस के थ्रू. ओके, सो ओरेकल में भी क्या है, सो ओरेकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन every quarterly they will be going to introduce the patches to keep your database up to date. Okay, uh, in perspective of security, in perspective of defects, okay, we have to apply those patches. Okay, so every quarterly Oracle will be going to release the patches. As a DBA, we have to download those patches. We will be going to get the mails for our official mail IDs that from the Oracle organization. We will be going to get the mails that this quarter we have released these new patches. Okay, what are the patch number? If we are going to apply those patches, what are the benefits we are going to get? What are the defects will be going to fix? What are the new features these patches will be going to deliver? Like this, we will be going to get mails. Okay, so based on that, after that we have to download those patches, we have to take the downtime, we have to apply the patches. Okay, so patches required the 100% downtime. Suppose you want to apply a patch, suppose the patch is required 10 minutes to get it applied, so that entire 10 minutes it will be a downtime. Okay, see here, and the most important thing that patches we are not going to apply on database. Patches we are going to apply on Oracle software. Oracle software means under Oracle software means for binaries. Patches will be always going to apply for software. Okay, software means binaries, not on database. For example, binaries means Oracle home. Patches will be going to apply on your Oracle home. So for which Oracle home you will be going to apply the patches? Under that Oracle home, how many databases do you have? How many listeners do you have? All the databases and all the listeners you have to stop, then only you can able to apply the patches to your Oracle software. So in case without stopping the database and without stopping the listener, you have started applying a patch. Okay, most of the times patches will get failed in case if any services under that Oracle home is running. So you have to make sure that to which Oracle home you want to apply the patches, whatever the databases exist under that Oracle home, all the databases including listeners are down. Okay, so, and another thing is that in patches we have two types of patches are there. So in within patches we have two types of patches is there. Okay, so type 1 patches is called interim patches. Interim patches. Okay, and the second category of patches is patch set patches. Okay, patch set patches. Here I have mentioned that type of patches. One is interim patch and another is patch set patch. This is the category 1 patches, and this is the another type of patches, that is the patch set patches. Okay, now let's understand what is exactly called this interim patch. Okay, interim patches is a small patches which is going to fix the defects. Okay, one interim patch will be used to fix one bug. Okay, so it means it's a very small patches which require the very little downtime. Okay, so to apply the interim patches, we have one utility. What is that utility? To apply this interim patches, we have a utility called opatch. We have the utility called opatch. So to apply the interim patches, what is the utility we are going to use? That is O patch. Okay, O is in the uppercase and P is in the uppercase. The rest A, T, C, H is in the lowercase. But the thing is that what is the location for this utility? So this utility exists under Oracle home. Normally, most of the utilities means 99% utilities will be under Oracle home /bin. Okay, except 1% utilities will be in the different location. So this opatch utility is not under Oracle home /bin. It will be under another location that is under Oracle Home. Okay, and this is the utility name which is used to apply this patch, interim patch. Okay, so another category we have patch set patches. To apply these patch set patches, we have the different utilities there. To apply this patch set patches, we have another utility that is OUI. That is OUI, which stands for Oracle Universal Installer, which is called as Oracle Universal Installer. Okay, so for this we have to use like this /run installer. Okay, so patch set patches, what is exactly called patch set patches? Patch set patches means it's a collection of interim patches. It's a collection of interim patches. For example, now Oracle has created one software and introduced in the market. Okay, so after introduced in the market, a lot of end users a lot of companies has been downloaded it and started using it. Okay, after that Oracle people realized that there is a bug. Already thousands of customers has downloaded and started using it. Okay, now what they has to do to fix that bug, they will be going to give the patches. Okay, now they identified one bug, they have given one patch. Again they identified one more bug, they have given another patch. After a few days they have identified one new bug, they have given one patch. Okay, after a certain time, what this Oracle organization used to do, once the count of interim patches goes to some extent, means for example 5, 6, 7. Okay, what they will do, they will club all those interim patches, they will give as a one big patch, that is called patch set patch. Okay, that call it as a patch set patch. So interim patches means it's a small patches which is going to fix a single bug. Patch set patches means it's a collection of interim patches which is going to fix the multiple defects, Okay, to apply the patch set patch, we have a utility called OUI. Okay, as well as this patch set patches will change the database, your software version. Patch set patches changes the Oracle software version. So interim patches will never change your software version. This patch set patches will be going to change your software version, will get it changed if you are going to apply these patch set patches. And another thing is that interim patches can be rolled back. Interim patches can be rolled back, but this patch set patches, once applied the patch set patch, it's applied, that's all. We can't restore these patch set patches. For interim patches, we have the option after applying, if you don't want the patch, okay, with the same utility, by giving the different arguments, you can restore the patch. But for the patch set patches, once applied is applied, we can't restore the patch set patches. And another thing is that patches will be going to come always in zip format. Patches will be going to come always in which format? That is in the zip format. Okay, so patches will be available only and only in the Oracle's official website. Okay, so we can't get the Oracle patches from the Google or from any website or from any from any forums, from like that. Okay, only from the Oracle's official website, that is the support.oracle.com. Okay, and another thing is that patches will be going to come in zip format, and patches are the platform dependent. Now Oracle 11G software will be there. For Windows it will be a different. For example, for you I have given the 11G software. Okay, 64-bit software. For example, if you want to install on the top of Windows, okay, then whatever I have given, that software you can't install, because that software I have given you for the Linux. Okay, if you want to install the same software on the top of Windows, again you have to download the different software. While downloading the software, you have to mention that I have to apply this, I have to install this software on the top of which operating system. You have to define, because Oracle software is a platform dependent. It's a platform dependent. तो Windows के अब समझो कि 19C नया आया मार्केट में, तो दुनिया में प्रेजेंट कितने प्लेटफॉर्म्स है? Windows है, Solaris है, IBM का एक सेपरेट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, ओरेकल का खुद का एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, लाइनेक्स के अंदर बहुत सारे फ्लेवर्स है, तो उतने सारे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स के लिए रिलीज करेगा इन्हें 19C का नया सॉफ्टवेयर। तो क्यों बोले तो सॉफ्टवेयर क्या है, प्लेटफॉर्म का डिपेंडेंट है ये। ओके, सो पैचेस भी क्या है, प्लेटफॉर्म डिपेंडेंट है। ओके, समझो कि आपका डेटाबेस आके विंडोज पे चल रहा, मेरा डेटाबेस आके लाइनेक्स पे चल रहा। ओके, दोनों को भी सेम वर्जन है, समझो आपका भी 19C सॉफ्टवेयर है, मेरा भी 19C सॉफ्टवेयर है, लेकिन मेरा 19C सॉफ्टवेयर मैं विंडोज में इंस्टॉल करा, आप लाइनेक्स में करे, दोनों को एक ही डिफेक्ट आ रहा, दोनों को एक ही डिफेक्ट है। ओके, और पैच आके जो पैच मैं यूज करा सेम पैच आप यूज नहीं कर सकते, पैच का नंबर सेम रहेगा, लेकिन पैच को डाउनलोड करते वक्त आपको ये देना चाहिए कि कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए चाहिए आपको पैच। ओके, क्यों, ओरेकल सॉफ्टवेयर एज वेल एज पैचेस का है ये प्लेटफॉर्म डिपेंडेंट है ये। ओके, प्लेटफॉर्म डिपेंडेंट है ये। ओके, so the last thing, okay, let me add here, so within this interim patches, within this interim patches we have again two type of patches is there. Normally overall we have two types of patches is there, one is interim and another is patch set patch. Within interim patch we have two types of classification patches is there. Okay, one is CPU patch, and one is PSU patch. CPU means critical patch set upgrade. See here, critical patch set upgrade. Okay, PSU means patch set upgrade. So nowadays Oracle will be releasing most of the patches is PSU patches only in the interim. Okay, so CPU patches means it is only security related patches. Okay, that's called CPU patches. PSU patches means defects, means for defects we are going to use. Okay, within PSU nowadays PSU is the latest patches which will be going to use to fix the defects as well as to fix the security, to enhance the security also. Okay, पहले बहुत पुराने में ट्रेडिशन मॉडल में क्या था, सीपीयू के लिए तो सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड पैचेस अलग रहते थे, डिफेक्ट्स को फिक्स करने के पैचेस अलग थे। अब नए क्या करा इन्हें, सीपीयू के बदले पीएसयू पैचेस लेके आ गया जो डिफेक्ट्स को भी फिक्स करता प्लस सिक्योरिटी को भी एनहांस करता, और सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड डिफेक्ट्स भी रहेंगे तो वो भी फिक्स हो जाते हैं। तो मोस्टली हम लोग आजकल जो भी ओरेकल रिलीज कर रहा क्वार्टरली पैचेस, मोस्टली वो कौन से पैचेस है, पीएसयू पैचेस है। पीएसयू बोले तो पैच सेट अपग्रेड पैचेस। ओके, now the thing is that, okay, so what I want to show you practically is, so first I will be going to install 10G software. First what I will be going to do here, let me show you. So let me put the diagram for you here. So I will be going to have one server. So in this server I have installed OEL4, Oracle Enterprise Linux version 4, and it is 32-bit operating system, 32-bit operating system. Okay, 32-bit OS, 32-bit OS. Okay. So on the top of this, I will be going to install 10G software. I will be going to install which software? 10G software. I will be going to install which version software? 10G software. Okay. Then after installing the 10G software, if I create the database, obviously that database will be a 10G database. Okay. So here, then I will be going to create a database. So it will be which database? It will be 10G database. 10G database. Okay. So now what I will be going to do, okay, I will apply the multiple patches here. Okay. Then as well as I will be going to upgrade this 10G database to 11G database so that I can cover the patching as well as upgradation. That's the reason I have installed here 11G. So directly I can upgrade 11G database to 12C, but to upgrade the 11G database to 12C, the process is very simple process. Okay, so it's a very simple process, but to upgrade the 10G to 11G, it required multiple patches is required, and the process is little bit complex. Okay, so I want to show you the complex process, so I will be going to show you the how patches is, whether it's 10G or 11G or 19C, same. How to apply the patch, it's the same. Okay, but the upgradation process is going to change. 10G to 11G upgradation is little bit complex. So what I will be going to do you, okay, first here I will apply the multiple patches here. First here I will apply multiple patches here. Here first I will apply the patches. So how to apply a patch, I will be going to show. Whether it's irrespective of any version, you will be going to use the same utility, same way to apply the patches, whether it is 10G or 11G version, or whether it's a 12C, even 19C also. Okay, so the steps will remain same. First I will be going to show you how to apply a patch, how to apply the patch. Then I will be going to show you the upgradation. Then I will be going to show you the upgradation. So upgradation from 10G to, so 10G database to 10G database to 11G. Okay, I will be going to show you upgradation. Okay, if time permits, okay, then I will be going to show you 11G to 12C upgradation, 11G to 12C upgradation. Otherwise, if time doesn't permit me, then I will give you the steps, okay, how to upgrade the 11G database to 12C, but the steps will remain very simple to upgrade the 11G to 12C. Okay, so what I will do now, so let me show you how to install this 10G software similar to 11G. So anyhow, okay, I will be installing. Okay, let me show you also. Okay, so but here the issue is that to install the 10G software we required OEL4. Okay, means version 4 Linux is required. Okay, on version 5 to install the 10G there is some defects is there. Okay, for 10G software, and the version 5 are upper versions of the Oracle 5. Okay, there will be some defects is there, multiple operating system patches we have to apply. Okay, so I don't have those operating system patches, so I will be going to use the OEL4 here. Okay, so anyhow I have given you the Oracle Enterprise Linux 4 software also for you. Okay, so what I will be doing here, so already Oracle Enterprise Linux I have installed here, so I have a machine ready here. So this is the Oracle Enterprise Linux 4 machine. So here I will be going to install 10G software. I will be going to install which version of Oracle software? That is 10G version Oracle software. Okay, so first here let me create new. So this is a just installed operating system. Okay, it's a fresh operating system. Okay, so what I will be do, group add DBA, user add -g DBA -d u01 u01 home user.db-user1 Oracle. So I have created a new group and then I have created one new OS user, that is Oracle 2. Okay, so this user I will be going to use to install the 10G software. Then ownership. Then I have to give permission chmod -r 7754 u01/home, then xhost plus. This is for graphical privilege. Okay, now let me log into Oracle user. Now I want to install the 10G software, but my 10G software is under Windows operating system. I have to get that 10G software from Windows to Linux. So what are the steps? Okay, so here in VMware we have the feature called sharing. This is the navigation. Okay, to share the 10G software from Windows to Linux, we have to go for VM, then settings, then you have to go for options, then share folder, then click on always enable, then click on add button, then go for next, then go for browse. So where do you have in your local laptop, means I mean in your Windows operating system, where is the 10G software? You have to go into that folder and you have to select that 10G software. 10G software. Okay, now whatever you are going to share, you will be going to get where? Under MNT, under HGFS. Okay, now go into this directory and this is the 10G software. This is 10G software. Now ls. Okay, this is the main setup file to install the 10G software, /run installer. Enter. So we have to go for advanced option, then we have to click on next. Now press on next. So your software getting installed here. So go with enterprise edition. Next, next. So this is the location where your software is getting installed. If you are okay with this location, then press on next. Okay, otherwise as per your requirement, as per your need, you can change the directory structure. For me it's okay, so I will be going with next. So here it is in progress, so we have to give some time here. We have to wait for a few seconds here, so it should get complete here. like in progress to, it should get changed as a completed like that. So succeed. Okay, here one you got as a warning. Just click here. Okay, click here and press here, retry. That's enough. Now verified. Everything should be success or it should be verified. Okay, like this, check it. Yes, everything is absolutely fine. Now go with next. So what exactly I'm doing? I'm installing the 10G software on the top of Oracle Enterprise Linux version 4. Now install database software only. Now install. Now the installation process is going to be begin. Meanwhile, I will be going to show you how to download the patches. Okay, normally in any institution, you just take any institutions. They are not going to show you how to download the patches. They will give you the patches, but they will be not going to show how to download because they will be not going to have an official account in the Oracle website. So Oracle will give the official account in their website only to the organizations. That's true for register organization. If you are going to say that, okay, I have a money, I have an institution, okay, I can I want the account in your official website. If you want amount, I can pay you. Okay, Oracle is not going to give you. Okay, so Oracle will ask you whether it is a you are from which country. Okay, your organization has been registered with that specific country's government. If your organization is registered organization, then only they will be going to sell their product to you. Okay, otherwise they will be not going to sell you. They will not allow you to create the account in their official website. Okay. So this is the official website to download the patches. What is that official website? support.oracle.com. This is the official website. Here we have one tab called field called login to my Oracle support. Let's click here. So as a real-time DBS, every day multiple times we will be going to log in this website. Okay, if we require any information, from where we can get that information? From this website. Okay, for example, if we are getting some error in the Oracle database, okay, so we are not aware and we are very new, we are not familiar with that error, and this is very first time I got that error. Okay, so how did you get the solution? Okay, whatever that error, copy and go to this website and paste over there. They will give you that what is the solution for this issue. For example, you might be thinking that it is an issue. For example, that is not an issue, that is a bug. Then immediately they will tell you it's not an issue, it's a bug. For this bug, already patch has been there. This is a patch. Okay, so even if you want to download the patch, this is the official website. Okay, for example, you required some document for patching. Okay, you from Google you are not getting the proper documents. You can go and search in this website. You will get the proper Oracle's official documents. Okay, for every topic, for every Oracle's product. Okay, Oracle has the database is there. They have their another software called EBS. They have the Fusion software. They have WebLogic. Okay, from this single website you can download the documents for all the Oracle products. Okay. So when we are going to use our official website from the different system, okay, other than the office laptop, so as a two-factor authentication, we are going to get the OTP to our mail ID. So that OTP I have to enter here. this is the website support.oracle.com. Okay, within this website, here we have the multiple tabs are there. Okay, multiple tabs is there. Okay, so the first tab is that is the default tab is dashboard. Okay, that is the dashboard. Okay, and the second tab is knowledge. This is the most important tab here. So here we have one search bar is there. See here, search bar is there. You just any Oracle product, okay, any Oracle product, if you are going to get any error, okay, otherwise you want the information relevant to any future, anything, you just come here and type here. Okay, you type here and you will be going to get the relevant solution. Okay, for example, so in my database I am getting some issue. Okay, I have used my overall knowledge to fix that error. Okay, I have spent a lot of time to fix that error. Okay, still I was unable to fix that error. Okay, so in that case what I can do, I can raise a request with Oracle support. That's called, I can raise a ticket. Okay, for that ticket we have one official name called service request. In short, we used to call it as a SR. Okay, SR. I can raise the SR over there. I can in detail, I can explain my issue, what I was trying to do and what error I have got. Okay, and what are my previous analysis, what I have did, okay, to fix that error. Okay, entire my analysis, if I'm going to give one, Oracle will create one ticket. Okay, that ticket number I will be going to get. For that ticket, one dedicated engineer will be get it allocated. Okay, that engineer will be going to assist at us till our issue will get it closed. Okay, so for example, see here, so in my official website, official account, see here, so this is my official account, Akram. Here it was showing, see here how many SRs is running in my account right now. 4 SRs is there. Okay, for example, for 3 SRs it was status was showing as solution offered. Solution offered means, okay, there was some issue, okay, which is I was unable to fix it. Okay, in that case I'm not going to stop. Okay, if I'm going to stop that, I don't know, I am not aware of this error, I don't know how to fix. Company means organization is not going to agree because they are paying for me. Anyhow I have to fix it, but I am not aware how to fix. Okay, in that case I have to raise this service request. Okay, SRs. Okay, so this is the field. Okay, from the third field, so using this option, create technical SR, we have to go here. Okay, here create SR. So what error you are getting, for example, okay, while applying a patch, while applying the patch, okay, for example, whatever issue you have, okay, you just explain that issue in detail, whatever analysis till now you have did it, just give your entire analysis here. Okay, which version you are using, for example 10G version or 11G version, whatever your analysis is there. Okay, so for example 10 Oracle software, under Oracle software which version database you are using, which language you are using. Okay, so all these fields you have to fill it. Okay, after filling it you have to press here next, and then finish. Okay, like this one new SR will be get it created like this. One new SR will be get it created like this. Okay, see here, like this will new SR will be get it created. So let's click that SR. Okay, so here go and here add update, just click on add update, and you mention that, okay, this is my issue like that. Okay, so immediately one SR engineer will be get it assigned. Okay, so he will suggest you, okay, oh Mr. DBA, okay, so this is your problem. Okay, I have gone through your description. Okay, so okay, so this is your problem. Okay, this is the solution I will be giving, you just go and apply. Okay, so while applying this solution, if you have any concern, you just ask me. Okay, you can share your screen, I can assist you. Okay, and let me know whether your issue is going to fix or not after applying this solution. he will going to ping you the solution and he will go into the wait state. Okay, after applying that, okay, if your issue get fixed, just go and close the SR by saying that Mr. SR engineer, thanks for your time. Okay, so with your help we have fixed our issue, and go and close the SR. Otherwise, even after applying that issue, the even after applying that solution, your issue still exists. Okay, again go and apply that. Okay, so we have applied your solution, but our issue has not fixed. They will give some workaround like that till your issue is getting closed. They will assist you. Okay, so with the help of this service request. Okay, and here we have another tab called patches and updates. Patches and updates. Okay, so from here we can able to download the patches. For example, so these are my patches. These are my patches. For example, let's copy the patch number. Let's copy the patch number. Go to this patches and updates. Here, let's paste the patch number. After that, here, for which platform you require these patches, for Windows or for Linux or for Solaris, whatever the operating system in the globe we have, all the operating systems will be going to list you here. So I want for which operating system I want for Linux. Okay, within Linux 32-bit is a 64-bit is a 64-bit operating system Linux. Okay, so like this, and go for search, SERCH search. So now here it will open a new pop-up and it will list you that patch. With the help of there, you can able to download the patch. So here it's loading, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so you have to click on the patch number again. So for what purpose they have created this patch description is also mentioned here, and this patch they have created for which version, they will be also giving here version. So how many years back this patch has been created, what is the size of the patch, everything they are going to display you. It is giving that this patches and updates tab as a service unavailable. Okay, let me check it again. Okay, actually got it. So for which operating system, 10G release to patch set 1. So this is my 10G version software I will be installing right now. See here. So my 10G is here. 10G right now installing Oracle database 10G. Okay, within 10G release to patch set 1. Okay, that's for which version you wants to download the patch, for this version. So that is 10.2010. Earlier I have selected wrong version, so this is the correct version. Let's select here, let's click here. So here you have the option called download. Now the patch will get it download. Let's save it here. By clicking here, it will get saved into your downloads. Under downloads, it will get it saved. See here, patch get downloaded here. Patch get downloaded here. See here, go to the show in folder. See here, I have downloaded the patch here. Okay, so the patch size is around 32 KB. So always the patches will get it download in the zip format. Okay, you have to unzip it. Okay, and another thing is that under every patch, okay, there will be one file called readme file. Let me show you how to unzip. Extract here. Got extracted. See here, it got extracted to here. Let's go here. See here, there is one file called readme file. Readme file. With the help of this readme file, okay, we will come to know more details about this patch. Okay. So here still installation is going on. Okay, so around at 96% like that, we will be going to get two scripts. We have to copy the very first script, which will be going to create the Aura inventory. Okay, where under Aura inventory, all the product information means product information and patches information will be going to store. Okay, that is the Aura inventory script. We have to execute it from the root user. That Aura inventory will get it created. So paste it, just click the enter button, then go and select the second script, paste it here, click the enter button. So this second script is root.sh. Okay, so it will create one file called Aura tab file where all the databases information will be get it recorded. So how many databases do you have? Okay, when did you how many data list of databases do you have, like that? So let's click here OK button. So now your installation was successfully completed. See here, successfully it was completed. Now you have to set the bash profile now. That's called post steps. So let me show you. CD enter ls oracle. So this is the location where I have installed the Oracle software. So this is our my binaries. So always we will be going to apply the patches on the top of these binaries. Okay. So the location of binaries, we are going to call it as a Oracle home. Let's copy this Oracle home. Now press CD enter. Okay. Then it has to show as U01 home. From here we have to open bash profile. Okay, under bash profile there will be a few predefined lines will be there. So without touching to those predefined files, let's come here to the end. Now go into the insert mode, click the enter button. Now type here export oracle underscore home is equals to the location, whatever you have copied, you just paste it here. Then export path is equals to dollar oracle underscore home slash bin colon dollar path. Okay, colon. Okay, then export path is equals to dollar oracle home slash o patch colon dollar path. So now normally in 11G we used to give these two lines only. Okay, So because the first line will be going to your first line to use this environmental variable cd dollar oracle home. So instead of going every time manually here, in the case if you want to go here, okay, we should use like this cd space dollar oracle home. It should take to here. So that's the reason I will be keeping this line. And the second line is to use the utilities. So for example, lsnrctl, dbca, dbuva, whatever utilities, SQL plus, all the utilities will be under Oracle Home under bin directory. Whatever utility you want to use, every time you have to go inside this folder, then only you can able to use the utility. So irrespective of this location, from all the locations I should be able to use these utilities. Then you have to keep this line. ये लाइन नहीं रखोगे भी तो चलेगा, लेकिन जब भी कौन सी भी यूटिलिटी यूज करना है तो आपको इस लोकेशन में जाना पड़ेगा ओरेकल होम बिन के अंदर, या नहीं तो ये लोकेशन को वन टाइम क्या है बैश प्रोफाइल में डाल दो, कौन सी भी यूटिलिटी कौन सी भी लोकेशन से यूज कर सकते हो। लेकिन ये जो पैचिंग टॉपिक चल रही है, पैचिंग के लिए ये पैच यूटिलिटी इधर नहीं है, इसके ओरेकल होम बिन के अंदर नहीं है, सेपरेट लोकेशन में है। तो इसलिए मैं ये थर्ड लाइन डाला पैचिंग के लिए। ओके, अब इसको सेव एंड क्विट। Now let's execute the bash profile. Now DBCA, which stands for Database Configuration Assistance. Okay. So now what I am doing, now I am creating a database. Okay, next, then database name. So I will be giving the database name as prod. Now next, okay, uncheck this one, next. So here go, okay. Now at the time of database creation, two super accounts will be created. One is sys and another is system. So for those accounts, what password would you like to give? The password you have to specify here. So I will be going to specify as manager. Then next. So here, where do you want the location? So I want this database prod should get it created under u01/home. Now next. So FRA, you just uncheck it. So later on we can able to create. So how do we enable this FRA? For that, two parameters is there, db underscore recovery underscore file underscore dest, and another parameter is db underscore recovery underscore file underscore dest underscore size. Okay. So SGS size. So here I will be giving the SGS size as 400 and PGS size as 300. Ignore. Next, finish. Then press on OK button. Now my database creation is in progress. So here database creation got completed here. Okay. So my database creation was completed here. Now press on exit. Now, so how can I can check my database is running or not? This is the command ps-ef5grep pmon. So here my database, it is a ora underscore pmon underscore prod. It was up and running. So what I have to do, export oracle underscore sid is equals to prod. Then here SQL plus / as sysdba. So my database is up and running. So now anyhow I will be going to apply the patches. Okay. So here, before going to apply the patches, as I told you, patches will be going to apply on the top of Oracle Home, not on the top of database. Okay. So this Oracle Home, which Oracle Home? See here. cd dollar oracle underscore home pwd. So for this Oracle Home, under this Oracle Home we have the binaries. For the binaries I will be going to apply the patches. Okay. So this database is running on the top of with the help of these binaries. So under these binaries, whatever the databases is running, we have to stop all those databases. How to check whether databases is running or not? This is the command ps-ef pipe grep pmon. Okay, so to check whether any listeners is running, so ps-ef pipe grep tns. Okay, so anyhow till now I have not created any listener, so no listener is running, but I have created the database and the database is running. So what we have to do, we have to shut down the database. Okay, before shutting down, it was highly recommended from the Oracle organization that before going to apply the patches, we have to take the backup of the database. We have to take the backup of two things. Okay, so whether it is a interim patch, whether it's a patch set patch, any patch, before going to apply, you have to take the backup. Okay, what you have to take? You have to take the backup of database. You have to take the backup of database. Okay, so on which Oracle home you will be going to apply the patch? On the top of that Oracle home, how many databases do you have? So you have to take the backup through rmin. You have to take all those databases backups. You have to take, okay, backup of database through rmin utility. Apart from that, we have to take the backup of Oracle home. We have to take the backup of Oracle home. So for Oracle home, to take the backup, we have to use which utility? CP utility. Okay, which utility we are going to use? CP utility. Okay, that means before going to apply the patches, we have to take the backup of database as well as Oracle home backup also we have to take. Okay, so with the help of this CP command. Okay, after think that I have taken the backup of my database, so after that I have to shut down the database. How to shut down? This is a command, shut down immediate. After shutdown immediate, okay, now exit here. So in case if any listeners is running, let's close the, let's stop that listener. And how to take the Oracle home backup, let me show you. Okay, so this is the steps to take the Oracle home backup. Let's go to the Oracle home and come one step back. Okay, and create one directory here, mkdir, for example, Oracle underscore home, Oracle home underscore Oracle, like this. Okay, any name, Oracle home backup. Okay, then cp hyphen rvf db underscore 1 2, like this. Okay, we have to give the, if I hit the enter button, now backup will get it started. Means whatever the files and directories we have in this directory, will get it copied to this directory. Okay, then this is called as Oracle home backup, and this is your original Oracle home. So this is the command. Okay, even in real time also we are going to take the backup in the same way. Okay, so I think today it is enough. Okay, so anyhow tomorrow Friday will be leave. Okay, now I have shut down my, okay, so how to check whether my database is running or not? ps-ef pipe grep p1. So already I have shut down my database, means no database is running here. So how to check for listener whether any listeners is running? This is a command. So right now no database and no listener is running. Okay, so I am ready to apply the patches now. Okay, so let's share the patches. So because my patches is in Windows, I want to bring them patches from Windows to Linux. So this is the navigation, VM settings, options. share folder, always enable, then add, go to the next, go to the browse button. So where do you have the patches? Just go over there. Next, finish. Okay. Okay. So whatever we are going to share from Windows to Linux, we are going to get those under this directory. Okay. So under this db underscore patches, I have the patches. Now, so to check the size of these patches, I will be going to use the command du space fnsh star. So I will be going to apply here this patch pwd. So patches are exist under mnt and this is the directory. Under this directory, one more directory. Under this directory, we have the patches. So right now I came to my home location. From here, I will be going to unzip the patch. So I have to give this absolute path, then the patch number. So I will be hitting the enter now. So it will get unzip the patch. So after unzipping, I will be going to get the directory like this. So I have to go inside this directory. Now here I will be going to have a file called readme file. I will be going to have a file called readme file. Let's open this file. In detail, you need to go through this readme file. So in real time, while we are going to apply the patch, we will go through the readme file 3 to 4 times, not 1 or 2 times, 3 to 4 times. We are going to spend 1 hour or 2 hours, totally 2 hours just to go through this readme file. Means, so we have to go through this readme file. We are not supposed to skip one single line. Means all content of this readme file we have to go through, we have to understand. Okay, because why did this patch has been created, when did this patch has been created, what are the bug will be getting fixed. Okay, everything will be there in how to apply the patch, in case whether it's a interim patch or patch set patch, within interim whether it's a psu patch or cpu patch, every information we will be going to get inside this patch readme file. Okay, so the all detailed information you will be going to get here after going through it. Now save and quit. Okay, now I want to apply this patch. How to apply the patch? O patch space apply. So already I was inside this patch directory. If I give like this, that's enough. O patch apply, hit the enter button. So I will be applying the interim patch. So interim patch will be applied through which utility? O patch utility. So it will be asking me a question that do you want to proceed, yes or no. So I have to give here yes. That means I want to proceed with the patch. Here patch is getting applied. See here, all the patches in after the patch is applied, the patch information will be updated under inventory. See here, so it was giving here. Now we got the message that O patch succeed, means patch has been applied successfully. So how can I cross check that patch has been applied successfully? So this is the command O patch ls inventory. Okay, from here I can come to know that till now how many patches I have applied, which patch on which date I have applied, everything in detail about the patch information we can get, okay, through this command. Now see here, so interim patches in the bracket it was showing one, means till now I have applied only one patch, that is only one interim patch. This is the patch number. So I have applied this on which date? June 30. Okay, so on which year? 2022. Okay, so suppose I don't want this patch, I want to roll back this patch. Okay, so how to roll back? Let me show you. O patch rollback -id, give the patch number. So this is the command to roll back the patch. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So what I will be doing, I will be rolling back the applied patch. So only for interim patches we can roll back. So when it comes to the patch set patches can't be rolled back. Now patch rollback successful. Now check here, O patch ls inventory. There are no interim patches installed in this Oracle Home. Means till now no patches we have applied. Okay. So like this we can able to check. Now let me show you, this is the way how to apply the interim patches. Now I will be going to show you how to apply the patch set patch. As I told you in the theory part, patch set patches will upgrade your binaries version. So right now let me check my binaries version. How to check opatch version. So this is one command, opatch version. Apart from that, from like this SQL plus -v. So this is the another way to check. Otherwise, by connecting to the database, right now my database is down. If my database is up and running, from v database, there is a column called version. Okay, by using that also we can find out the version. Right now, what is my version? 10.201. 10.201. So let me show you how to apply the patch set patch. So this is the patch set patch. Okay. So right now my Oracle software version is here 10G release to patch set 1. So this digit will point to patch set version. So patch set 1. This is my patch set patch. This is my patch set patch. If this patch I will be going to apply, my version will get changed to 10G release to patch set 4. It will get it changed to patch set 4. So I will be going to unzip this patch. From where I will be going to unzip? From my home location. So my home location means pwd means it should give as u01/home. From here I will be going to unzip. So let's give this absolute path, then patch name and number. Now hit the enter button. So now patch set patch is getting unzipped now. So patch set patch is a very big patch, so it takes some time to get unzipped. So this patch set patch will be creating a directory with a name called disk1. So it's a very big patch, so it's taking a time to get it unzipped. Okay, patch set patch got unzip here. So after unzip, patch set patch will create a directory with the name disk1. Okay, so now beside the disk1, it has been created one readme file, that is readme.html file. How to open this file? Firefox space then readme.html file. So from root, I have to give xhost plus. Hope now it will get it open. So this is my readme file for patch set patch. So within this patch set patch, we have the multiple sections are there. So overall, how many sections are there? These all are the section 1, section 2, section 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So almost 15 sections will be there. Okay, so we have to go in detail, we have to go through all these sections. So we are not supposed to skip a single section. So we have to go through all this section. We have to read it twice and thrice. We have to understand it. In case if you are unable to understand, if something is not clear to you, then you have to raise the service request. You have to ask to the Oracle peoples that, so what is this point? I am not clear about that. Then they will be going to explain you more. They will give the more information about that point. So before going to apply the patch in depth, you have to go through the readme file. You are not supposed to skip a single point also. So after going through entire readme file, now I have to apply this patch set patch. How to apply the patch set patch? So as I told you, inside the patch set patch, I will be going to get a setup file like run installer. I have to add here /run installer. It's called OUI. If we are going to use this run installer, then it's called OUI. OUI stands for Oracle Universal Installer. Hit the enter button here. Now here we have to press next. Then next. So this is the Oracle home where I want to apply this patch set patch. So right now, what is my version? It's 10.2.01. So here it was showing in progress. We have to get it right. So in progress to, it should get changed to succeed. See here, it got changed to succeed. Now press on next. Now next. Now we have to click on install. Before going to press on install, here Oracle Database 10G release to patch set 3. I will be applying which patch set? Patch set 3. If I am going to apply this patch set 3, the version will get changed to 10.2.040. Right now my version is 10.2.010. After this patch get it applied, it will get changed to 10.2.040. Now next. I mean installed. So now the patch set patch is getting installed. Now see here, patch set patch was around at 94%. It will give us one script, copy that script and execute it from the root user. Now hit the enter button. Now press on OK. Now see here, patch set patch was applied successfully. Now press on exit. Do you want to exit? We have to press on yes. Now after that, let's check here opatch version. Opatch version. So the version has been changed to 10.2.04. 10.2.040. Earlier it was 10.2.01. So earlier it was 10.2.0.1. Now it was 10.2.0.42. That means my binaries version got changed from 10.2.0.10. So my binaries version got changed to 10.2.0.102. After patch set patch, it got changed to 10.2.0.42. So earlier this is my version of after applying the patch set patch, that is the patch set patch 3, the version got changed to 10.2.0.42. Okay, this is the binaries version, but my database version will remain still 10.2.0.1. That means binaries version got upgraded, database version got remains same. So now my database is not going to work. Even I can't able to start my database also. See here, let's try to start the database. It will throw an error because always binaries version and database version should be same. Then only database will get it started. Because earlier my binaries version is 10.2.0.1 as well as database version also 10.2.0.1. But I have upgraded the binaries version from 10.2.0.1 to 10.2.0.4 through patch set patch 3. Now my binaries version got upgraded, still my database version will remain same. So here first I have to export oracle underscore sid is equals to prod sql plus / as sysdba. So I am not able to start now. It will be going to throw an error now. End of file like that error will get. See some error we have got. Now the reason for that error, let me explain you. Now see here. So after 10G installation, what is my version? 10.2.0.1.0. Okay, this is my binaries version. So this is the version of 10G software I have installed. Okay, this is my after installation. This is my binaries version. Okay. So after that, I have created a database. So database will always get it created with binaries version. So it will get it created with this version. So what is this? It is my database version. So then what I have done, I have shut down my database. I have shut it down my database. Then what I have done here, I have applied which patch? Patch set, patch 3 I have applied here. After that, my binaries version got changed to 10.2042. Okay, but my database version was still remain to 10.2010. So see here, version got mismatch here. Version got mismatch. So differences is here. So I can't able to start my database now. So what I have to do, I have to upgrade the database version to binaries version. So how can I upgrade? Normal startup will be not going to work. We have to start the instance in startup upgrade mode. Means startup upgrade mode means we will be going to we are going to start the database in maintenance mode. That is called startup upgrade mode. In the upgrade mode, except DBA core D means except database admin, no one can access the database. So let me start the instance in startup upgrade. So one time we have to exit and connect to the SQL prompt. Startup upgrade. So after that, so to upgrade the database to binaries version, we have one script under Oracle Home RDB or under Oracle Home rdbms/admin. We have one script called cat upgrd.sql. So the moment when we run this script, it will upgrade the database version from 10.2010 to binaries version. So whatever the binaries version, this cat upgrade.sql script will upgrade the database to this version. So we have to run like this @ question mark. @ question mark means it is up to Oracle Home. Then under Oracle Home rdbms/admin we have this cat upgrd.sql script. So this script will run at least 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, that's too depends on your system configuration. So meanwhile, instead of wasting my time, what I will be going to do in the different terminal to cover the upgradation in the same topic. So I will be installing the 11G software here. 11G 32-bit software. Which software? 11G 32-bit software. So let's share the 11G 32-bit software. So go to the VM, then settings. Go to the options. Go to the share folder. Now go to the add. Go to the next. Browse. So I have the 11G software under E drive. Under E drive softwares, under software 11G release to patch set 3 underscore 32-bit software. Under that, this database is the 10. This is a 11G 32-bit software. Finish. Press OK here. Now go to the cd-mnt/hgfs. So this is the database directory. So this is my 11G software. Run installer. So this is a 11G software. Now uncheck this one, then press next. So here we have to press yes, then skip the software updates. Next. So here install database software only, then next, then next. Then next. So then next. So here I will be going to give u01 home/app. So here I will be going to remove up to here. So I will be going to give u01 home app. Then product I will be going to give 11.2.0/db home_1. Then I will be going to give next. Now next. Then here click on ignore all, then press on next. Then we have to press on yes. So now final step is we have to click on install. Now the 11G software installation is in progress. This is 11G software, but it is a 32-bit because I will be using the operating system Linux is 32-bit. So if I want to install also 11G software, 11G 64-bit I can't install. So 11G software I have to install here 32-bit only. Okay. So now here what I have doing, one side I will be running this cat upgrade. So once this cat upgrade gets complete, this version also get changed to 10.2.0.4.2 only. Then both will remain same, so I can access my database. But that database will be 10.2.0.4.2, but it will be a 10G only. So I will be going to upgrade it to 11G. So if you want to upgrade to 11G, then you have to install 11G software. No, I don't want to upgrade to 11G. I want to upgrade to 12C. You have to install the 12C software. Suppose no, I don't want to upgrade to 12C. Directly I want to upgrade to 19C, 10G database to 19C. Then you have to install the 19C data or 19C software. So right now, so I will be installing the 11G software, installing 11G 32-bit software. So the reason of installing the 11G software is to upgrade this 10G database to 11G. Okay, for upgradation purpose, I will be installing. Suppose if I want to upgrade to 12C, 10G database directly, I can upgrade to 12C. In that case, 12C binaries I have to install. Right now, I will be showing you the 10G to 11G upgradation. So I will be installing the 11G software. Now here, in first terminal, cat upgrade.sql script is in progress. Now in second terminal, 11G software is in progress. Okay. So here obviously both will take the time. Meanwhile, I will pause the Zoom. Okay. Now see here, as I told you, in first terminal I kept utlrp cat upgrade.sql. So in second terminal I kept the 11G 32-bit software installation. Both has been completed. In first terminal, cat upgrade.sql has been completed. See here, it's got completed. In second terminal, this 11G release 2 patch set 3 32-bit software has been completed. It has given one script. Let's copy this script and let's execute this script from the root user. Now here this script execution has been completed. Now what we have to do, so now let's press here OK. So in this second terminal, create the bash profile for this 11G software. CD, press CD, enter. Now ls. So where did we have installed 11G software? Go into the directory, into app product 1120 db home underscore 1. This is the 11G 32-bit software binaries and this is the path. Let's copy this path. Let's copy these paths. Now cd, enter. From home location, I will be creating one new file. It's up to you. You can give any name. So I will be giving 11g.env. So within this file, I will be typing as export oracle underscore home is equals to the oracle home, the 11G software home, 11G software location, then export path is equals to dollar oracle underscore home slash bin colon dollar path. Now save and quit. Now save and quit it. Okay. I have installed 11G software and I have created the bash profile for 11G software. I didn't executed the 11G bash profile. Okay. So come to the first terminal. So here cat upgrade.sql script has been completed successfully. At the end, what it has been given, because right now my database was in upgrade mode, startup upgrade mode, means it is under maintenance mode. Next, shut down immediate, restart for the normal operation, and then run utlrp.sql. This is one SQL script which is used to compile the invalid objects. So it will make invalid objects as a valid. So what happened when we upgrade, when we run this cat upgrade.sql, it will upgrade the database to binary, your Oracle home binaries version. So that means my database version is 10.201, binaries version is 10.204.2 version. Okay, so it will upgrade the database to binaries version. That means database means data dictionary will get upgraded to binaries version. So whenever we upgrade the data dictionary to binaries version, some hundreds of objects will become invalid. So to make them valid, it's must and should we have to run this script. Okay, so that let's shut down immediate, because right now my database in upgrade mode. Select here, check here, select status from v $instance. It is in open migrate, means that means my instance is in maintenance mode. That means upgrade mode. So let's shut down it. After shutdown, we have to give here normal startup. Now my binaries version plus database version is getting matched now. So my database will be getting open now. Now here to check the database version, describe v $database. So here select version will be here. One column will be there here, version. So how to check the database version? Select version from v $instance. Now here it is also 10 to 04. Okay, that means binaries version, database version got matched. Now we have to check how many objects has become invalid. You from select count star from dba underscore objects where status is equals to invalid. Okay, 444 database object has become invalid. So to make them compile under Oracle Home RDBMS admin, we have a script called utlrp.sql at the rate question mark slash rdbms slash admin slash here at the rate question mark means it will refer up to Oracle Home. Then rdbms slash admin. Now see here the script name is this utlrp.sql. Hardly it will take 3 to 4 minutes. That's all. Now here select count star from db underscore objects where status is equals to invalid. Now it has to show as 0 records. Okay. Now okay. So now the invalids count has become 0. So and database version also became to binaries version. Select banner from b dollar version as well as select version from v dollar instance. Okay, so see here this is to check the database version. Okay, so all these steps I have mentioned in this handout. So each and every step I have mentioned here. So all these steps we have completed. Okay. Okay, so now we have, so now regarding upgradation, we have another document. That is upgradation document. Let's open this document. Now, before upgrading this 10G database, 10.204 database to 11G, so we have to install 11G software. So already 11G software installation has been done. There are some prerequisites is there. Okay. So from 11G home, in 11G home, there will be a one script with this name. So that script we have to run it from the 10G database. Let's go to the second terminal. Go to the Oracle software location. See here, so I came to Oracle software location here, rdbms/admin, then pwd, and give here utl u112i stands for information. This script will give the information. What is the location? This is the location. Okay, what is the script name? This is the script name. Okay, now copy this entire location. This script you have to copy as well as the entire location, and you have to execute this script from the 10G database like this. Like this you have to execute. So to upgrade this database to 11G, so what is the prerequisites? Okay, so whether you are matching with that prerequisites or not, it will be going to display you. Now this is all the prerequisites. You, before going to upgrade process initiate, you have to make sure that all these things are getting matched. So all these points should be, you have to be verified. So database name is prod. Right now the version is 10.204. Earlier initial its version is 10.201. Later we have upgraded to 10.204. Okay. So system table space, we should have minimum to minimum 731 MB free space, under undo 400 MB, under sysvox 443 MB, under temp minimum 60 MB. Okay, and this flashback feature, recently we have completed this flashback feature. Recently we have completed this topic flashback. In case you, if your database is running with the flashback, okay, for some time, for time being, till the time upgradation get it complete, you have to make it disable. And there is and in 10G, to define the SGS size, we used to have one parameter SG underscore target. In 11G this parameter got replaced. Okay, as well as the minimum SGS size should be minimum 596 MB free space should be there. So okay, apart from that, now see here in 10G we have two parameters are there: background dumbest, user dumbest. Okay, these two parameters under 11G got replaced with diagnostic underscore dest. Diagnostic underscore dest is a parameter which will define the alert log file and trace files locations. Okay, so all these things in detail you need to read it. If you have any concerns, you have to raise the SR and get it clarified. Otherwise, you have to check with your seniors. Okay. So all these things you have to make sure that everything is clear and all the points are getting matched with your environment. So after that, what I have to do now go to the second terminal and execute the 11G bash profile. From the second terminal, where is the 11G bash profile I have created? In the home location. Let's, in the home location, this is the bash profile I have created. Now let's execute this bash profile. After executing this bash profile, run dbua, which stands for dbua stands for database upgrade, database upgrade assistance. Okay, so run this dbua. Now see here, so we have two methods are there to upgrade 10G database to 11G. One is manual method. If you are going with the manual method, all these prerequisites should has to match, otherwise your manual method will get failed. So Another way is DBUA. In DBUA, if this prerequisite is getting failed also, itself it will fix it. And this is the latest feature, DBUA, database upgrade assistance. Everything itself it will do. Okay, DBUA. Yeah. Database upgrade assistance, welcome. The database upgrade assistance DBUA interactive steps you go through upgrade your database to Oracle database 11G release 2. Now press next. Okay, so which database you want to upgrade? Prod database. So right now that this prod database is running from which home? This home. Okay, this database should get upgraded and it should run from the 11G home. Okay, so right now it will be running with this home. Next. Now press here yes. Now here recompile the invalid objects at the end of upgrade. Degree of parallelism means how many processes he wants to assign. It depends, totally depends up to you. Okay, so I will be giving as 4 processes, that is more than enough. Okay, so do you want to take this prod database, you will be upgrading from 10G to 11G. Okay, so before upgrade, do you want DBUA utility to take the backup? If yes, let's click here. Okay, otherwise just don't click here. Okay, if you click here, somewhat some it will take more time because it has to include the backup also. So I will be not checking here. So it's totally up to you based on your requirement. If you want, you can check here, otherwise you can ignore and then proceed with next. So anyhow, I have taken the backup through rmin, so I don't require the backup, so that's the reason I didn't check over there. So do not move the data file as a part of upgrade. Okay, next. Next. So uncheck this one, enterprise manager feature. This is the final step. This is a summary. Very carefully you need to read. So database name prod, after upgradation also it's a prod. Right now your database version is 10.2040. Once this DBUA gets complete, it will be upgraded to 10.2030. So right now it is running with this, or right now your database prod is running from this Oracle home. Once DBUA gets complete, your prod database will be going to run from this home. Scroll down here. So this is a new parameter from 11G will be getting enabled now. So SGS sizes, everything it will be listing here. These 2 parameters will become absolute, means it will be getting hidden. A new feature, a new parameter will be getting replaced. Okay, so now click here finish. So now the upgradation process is going to start, right? So here it has to get it complete. Here right now it was showing as 2%. Here it has to show as 100%. Then your 10G database will upgrade it to 11G. Okay. So after from 11G to again you want to upgrade to 12C, means just install the 12C software, from execute the 12C bash profile and run DBUA. Okay, very simple steps. Okay. uh, so here I have to wait till here it gets 100%. Okay. Depend on your system configuration, it takes that time. Okay. So last time when I have did it, it has taken me around 8 hours. Okay. Depend on system to system configuration. Okay. So it took me around 4 hours. So after 4 hours, it got totally completed. Now see here, you have to get the screen like this. So here you it should show like this 100% completed. Okay, 100% it has to show. So after that, you have to press here on OK button. So after entire 100%. So here in this location, log file will be there. Okay. So this is the upgrade result. That means now this is the old one. Just for information, this is the new one. So your database version is this one, and it will be going to run from this home. If you want, you can remove this home. How to remove? Okay, go into this path up to here and remove this directly db_1. Okay. So this home is useless now. It's a, you can discard this Oracle home. Discard in sense you can remove this home. Okay, main your database will be going to run from this home now. So just close here. Just here hit the enter button here. Now see here what I will be going to do now. ps-f pipe grep emon SQL plus /accessdba. So because I have exported in the first terminal, right? Start up. Just a minute. F5 grep pmon export oracle underscore sid is equals to prod SQL plus /accessdba. I got it. Okay. So come to the second terminal only. Okay. So from second terminal, so you have to make sure 11G bash profile you have executed. Okay. Yeah. Now from here export it, or export oracle underscore sid is equals to prod SQL plus /accessdba, like that. Got it? So from the because earlier it was running from this 10G home. Okay. So here 10G home means echo dollar oracle underscore home. This is a 10G home, and this is the 11G homes here echo dollar oracle home. Now here just I have exported
because it has changed from the 10G home to 11G home. So from the 11G home, one time you have to export, then SQL plus slash sysdba, it has to be connect like this. Now here select version from v dollar instance, select banner from v dollar version. Okay. Now we can also remove the 10G home. How to remove the 10G home? Let me show you. Okay. Here, $4 from the first terminal. $4 Oracle home. So, so this you can remove entire this like this. Here Oracle directory is there. Oracle under inside Oracle you will get product, under product 10 to 0, under 10 to 0 you will get db underscore 1. So what I can do here, rm hyphen rv here. Let's give the Oracle directory here. See here, under Oracle product 10 to 0 db home underscore 1, everything will be getting deleted. 10G home you will be removing because now useless. Okay, because under 10G home only one database is there. That database I have upgraded to 11G. Suppose think that under 10G home you have two databases. Prod database you have upgraded. Again you have to run dbca from the 11G home, and this time you have to select the test database, means second database. But we have only one database. That database successfully upgraded. So obviously you can remove this Oracle home. So that's all for today. So thanks for watching my video.